Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear friends, before learning the steps of the Salah, let us learn the conditions of the Salah. Islam. Allah does not accept the actions of non-Muslims. Sanity. That means that the one to have the sound mind but not mad. Reaching the age of puberty. The children must be ordered to pray at the age of 7. Ritual purity. It means the purity of the body, the clothes, and the place where the one intends to pray. The time. Salah is only due when its time has started. Covering the awra or the body parts that have to be covered. Having the intention in the heart to perform the prayer. Facing the Qibla.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, let us learn how to perform Salah today. After doing wudu and wearing clean clothes, I face the Qibla, the direction of the Kaaba. I make niyyah, the intention for the prayer, in my heart. Then I recite Iqamah, the private call for the prayer. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. For this, I raise my hands to the ears and say Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is the greatest. This is called Takbirat al-Ihram. Now, I place my right hand on top of my left hand on the chest and look downwards to the place where my forehead will touch the ground in the sujood. After this, I recite silently, Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika, wa tabarak ismuka, wa ta'ala jadduka, wa la ilaha ghayruk.
After this, I will recite Surah Al-Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Then I recite another surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Then I say Allahu Akbar and I do ruku and I bow as much as possible. I keep my head in line with my back. I place my hand on my knee firmly, placing the finger and silently say Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim. I stand up from ruku and say Sami Allahu liman hamida until every backbone has returned to its place. Then I say Rabbana walakal hamd.
After I prostrate on the floor saying Allahu Akbar, in the sujood I should say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. There are 7 parts that should be in contact with the floor. First, nose and forehead. Second and third, palms of both hands. Fourth and fifth, both the knees. Sixth and seventh, toes of both feet. I have to fold my toes. Then I should put my palm level with my shoulder. Then I keep my arms away from my side and I should allow some space and distance between my stomach and my thigh. And I should keep my forearms off the ground. Then I raise my head saying Takbir Allahu Akbar. I spread my left leg and sit on it and I put my right foot upright and make my toes point towards the Qibla and say Rabbik Firli, Rabbik Firli. Then I do the second prostration and say Allahu Akbar. And then I say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times.
Allahu Akbar. After I raise my hands from the second prostration for the second rak'ah, I recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Then I recite any surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shaniyaka huwal abtar.
When I complete my second rakah, I sit down, I spread my left leg and sit on it. I put my right foot upright and make my toes point towards the Qibla. I keep my left hand flat on my thigh and close all the fingers of my right hand except my index finger raised pointing towards the Qibla. I move it gently during the tashahhud. At-tahiyatu lillahi was-salawatu was-tayyibatu. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. والسلام علينا وعلى آل عباد الله الصالحين. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. If it's last rakah like Fajr, then I complete with Durood Ibrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Then I turn my head to the right side and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Then I turn my head to the left side and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.